Laurel. Right on.
Have I lost my mind?
Oh yeah, big time.
You're me, with a greasy mullet.
Yeah, you know, better hair, better looking, more athletic. My IQ isn't below average like yours.
My IQ's not below average. It's average.
Yeah, that's not what I heard. Well, anyway, for the next little while, I'm gonna be dominating you in ping pong, basketball, golf.
Here's a free lesson.
You name it.